3 miraculous drinks for weight loss. 1. Cinnamon tea drink. You can reduce your waistline with cinnamon. Cinnamon tea stabilizes blood sugar levels, so you feel satiated and have fewer cravings. Ingredients: a cup of boiling hot water, 1 tablespoon of organic honey and 1 teaspoon of organic cinnamon. How to drink: simply drink half a cup in the morning on an empty stomach and half a cup 45 minutes after dinner. 2. Lemon drink. Lemon can have powerful effects on weight loss. It helps to lose weight by increasing your metabolic rate. Ingredients: a glass of water, 1 teaspoon of raw honey and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. How to drink: you should drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. 3. Honey drink. Honey is a great ingredient that may help you lose weight by providing the sweetness you want with the nutrients you need and helps you in proper digestion. Ingredients: a cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to drink: you should drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. So what are you waiting for? Just start drinking these drinks and succeed in your weight loss journey.